Hey guys, so I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I sure did. And it's been a wonderful Christmas. So today, or actually, I'm recording this on Christmas Eve. I don't know if you knew that, but I did. I am. But I'm publishing this after Christmas. Okay? Cool. Now, today we're going to be exploring the IBM personal computer on PCJS.org. They have some wonderful things here. They even have whole operating systems. So they go up to 1995, and you see Windows 95 is right there. So we're going to do Exploring the IBM Personal Computer from 1983. Now this is going to be interesting. Hopefully you can see it when it's full screened. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. So here it is. We're just going to be exploring. Has some nice sound effects too. Ow. I think you can still hear it, but I can't hear it. Sounds awful. Digital learning systems. Okay. Gonna. Yeah, you see, in like 1983. This is from like the early 80s. God, the music sounds awful. Please stop. It's hurting my ears. Okay, I'm just gonna mute it. Okay. Music has stopped, and now you don't have to go through that anymore. So, welcome. IBM has made every effort to make your personal computer easy to use to learn. This might be split into multiple parts as well, because this takes pretty long to go through. This lesson has given you a chance to discover this powerful machine on your own terms. Take your time and have some fun. There's no time limit. Feel free to review important topics, and don't be afraid to guess you should get confused. You'll also find the PC to be a patient and capable teacher. So basically, I have the table of contents right here. So Chapter 1, Instructions. Chapter 2, the keyboard. Chapter 3, Disgorge and DOS, or MS-DOS. Step 4, basic programming. And number 5, the printer. So I'm just gonna, yeah. So Chapter 1, Instructions. This program has pages and chapters, just like a book. You can page both forward and backward, or skip around from chapter to chapter. Let's see how it's done. Okay, press the page down key at any time to try it. Now, I think I have numlock on, right? Okay, so I press 3 on the numlock. So then I press 9 on the little keyboard here to go up. From now on, use the page up key to review as many pages as you like, or press the page down key to go on. The alternate key, Alt. So Alt works like a shift key to alter the meanings of page up and page down key. To review the chapter, press Alt page up so that both keys are down at the same time. Try now if you would like to review this chapter, or press page down and go on. To skip to the next chapter, press the Alt key and press page down. This program has sound effects. Press the escape key if you like to turn them off. Escape just exits the full screen mode, so I won't do that. Chapter 2, the keyboard. So the keyboard lets you control the PC. It's easy to learn, yet flexible enough to be used by all programs. They didn't have a mouse yet, so the keyboard was their only controller. Also, speaking of that, I'm not going to need my mouse because, so the typewriter keys. These keys are arranged just like those on a typewriter. Remember those typewriters? And they're pretty much used the same way. There are 2 shift keys, a backspace key and a carriage return key, which we call it enter, and a tab key. There are the keys labeled with arrows above. The enter key, So it moves the cursor to the start of a new line. The 10 function keys F. Oh, this is interesting. They only had 10 function keys. Well, now we have 12. And also they had an F0. That's interesting. I think F10 took its place. And also F11 and F12 are the new ones. Cursor keys. The cursor is a blinking line like this, which shows you'll move where you'll type next. These keys move the cursor around the screen. So 2 to go down, 4 to go left, 6 to go right, 8 to go up. Numeric keypad. The num lock, located right above the 9 key in my case, and a few others into number keys and then back again each time you press it. Control and Alt work like shift keys to modify one key at a time. The caps lock, num lock, and scroll lock keys work like on and off switches, modify the meaning of a group of related keys. That's right, it's your turn. So now we can press any key that we want, and it'll tell us more about it. We can select a letter, G, S, K, V, anything. You can more about the shifts, caps lock, tab, enter, and the 5 doesn't do anything on that side, but the 5 here does something. There's also F1. Nope, F1 doesn't do anything. But basically you can just do any key. And space bar, an enter, a D, anything. I'm gonna type you something. Yeah, there you go. So let's move it on. Try another one. Let's just go on. So this is cool. It's called FunWriter, the greatest show in word processing. So this is for stuff like Microsoft Word or something. It's time for you to put FunWriter through its paces. Each time you press the page down key, a new suggestion will appear. The labels below show the setting of the 3 lock keys: caps lock, num lock, and scroll lock. Press the num lock one to change this label to numbers. Then type your phone number with the numeric keyboard. Wait, what? Uses minus sign instead of hyphen. What the hell, dude? IBM really wants to know your phone number. Okay, I'm just gonna put random numbers in. That's not my actual phone number. Don't call that, okay? Thank you. Press the num lock key once to change this label to numbers. Then press the insert key, key. Surprised? No. So I'll just do this. The 0, right? Well, I'm not really surprised. I mean, just the 0 right there. There's a 0 on the num locks now, which actually doesn't do anything. You have to use insert. And yes, it does work like insert. I'll just do this. Okay. Press the capital lock key several times and watch the label switch from between uppercase and lowercase. You can just do this, right? Shift. Oh, it also changes the numbers too. Oh, wait, no. Oh, it wants me to turn sticky keys on. No. Okay, so we could just use this. Shift, so let's type this in. You know what? No, not my full name. Or rather, yeah. I mean, this is just practice, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Next. Oh, you gotta press the numlock. Yeah. It's not working. Did I, Okay, for some reason, any inputs aren't working. Click. 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 Nope. Okay, for your viewing pleasure, I have done this. Okay? Okay, so I figured out something. So you can't, like, do that. You have to, like, actually type out, like, your name. I'm not going to do that, so I'm just going to do it like this. Like that. Wait, what is it there? Okay. Nope. Let's just turn caps lock off. Yeah. So I'm just going to press next. There are two shift keys. One of them several times was the uppercase lowercase table. And you know, it's asking for sticky keys again. No, I don't want sticky keys because that would be very hard to type. But so you can just do that. Both keys must be down on one, so you can't just press Shift A. You have to do this. I'm sure everyone knows that by now, right? Try using one of those Shift keys to type a dollar sign. Do you know how much? Hey guys, look, it's micro. Hey guys, look, it's Apple. Apple's dream. Oh, damn, 4. So you can't. So I know this already. So if you press caps lock and then try to type like a dollar sign, it only does this. Oh, wait, something's wrong. Oh, one sec. So yeah, so if you try to do this, like try to type a dollar sign without a shift key, you just get 4s. That's it. Unless if you do this. Wait, what? Oh, that's cool. Well, that's interesting. Well, yeah, it's because I have my numlock on. So yeah, I can also do that. So, hey guys, look, it's, yeah, Apple costs that much. Just kidding, of course. It doesn't actually cost that much, but still pretty expensive. Or it could cost even more than that. Who knows? Oh yeah, right. So the shift key reverse the action of the caps lock key. Type the letter B. So you just do that. Yeah, see the thunderous difference? Yeah, like that. Shift keys also reverse the action of the numlock keys. Ooh, okay. Then you can do numlock, so it changes to numbers. Type 2, 2, nope, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, I gotta do that. And then shift. Yeah, you just do that, right? It just goes down. Computers use an asterisk to show multiplication and a slash. Okay, guys, I'm actually running out of time for this part 1, so bye.